Hello, my Prepper Posse. Oh my gosh. I mean, we barely ran in here. The storm came in. It's heavy. Heavy. Lightning, thunder, and the winds were incredible. Our stuff was flying down the street. We had to go run after it. But we got the truck loaded again. This is our third trip. And, you know, we were trying to hurry. But it came in. And it said it was 89, felt like what, 104? Disgusting. The heat. I had to sit down for a minute, I'm telling you. I was getting overheated, that's for sure. But now I want to go run out in the rain. So, here we are. Don't forget to play, alright? See you.